What's on my iPhone 11 Pro Max iOS 14 edition. iOS 14 is still in beta. It should be coming out sometime next month or in the fall. And before I even get started with this video, make sure you guys drop a comment down below. Drop a like on this video. It does help out the YouTube algorithm push out my videos. And why not, since we're here, you guys can subscribe. Think of these glasses as night shift, but just as a glasses form. It just makes things yellow so it's easier on the eyes. Voila guys, this is my home screen on iOS 14. Right away you guys can see my calendar. So tomorrow's event is gonna be the sub pack pre-order. The sub pack is a subwoofer backpack. I cannot wait for this product. It's gonna be expensive, I know it is, but the experience of that is gonna be insane. So it's like a subwoofer on your back, basically. I'm gonna pre-order that, so I even have it scheduled tomorrow so I don't forget. I think widgets is gonna be a big deal. It is a big deal on iOS 14, but I think people are gonna actually use it. And then on the bottom left, you guys can see that's my battery. So if I connect my AirPods or headphones, it's gonna give me the status of the battery. And next to it on the right, I have my weather application. So this is giving me the forecast in the area. Now finally, we're getting into the apps. But what if I tell you guys this is also a widget? So this is the Siri suggestions, and I gotta tell you guys, Siri knows what apps I like to use during the day. So for example, if I'm driving, boom, Waze is gonna be a part of the Siri suggestions. So this is gonna always change throughout time. So YouTube, Studio, Instagram, everything is there. Quickly talking about the dock now. I have FaceTime. Nowadays we don't call, we just FaceTime. It's all about FaceTime now. So this application here is called Spark. I think this is the better mail. Just so many features. You have a template you could create. This is a far more advanced mail client. You guys know what Safari is, Apple Music. You guys know what Apple Music is. And swiping over, I have another widget on the top. So this is giving me my global news. And by the way, if you want to access the widget, you just tap on it. Tap on the story, I should say, and it's going to automatically jump you into that story. I have my messages, iMessage, my camera, okay. I have my photos, clock, phone, notes, reminders, which I never really use the reminders, my wallet, my studio. The studio app is to read my YouTube comments, check my YouTube analytics, see what's going on, see what I can improve. I have YouTube Music, which by the way, I absolutely love YouTube Music. I'm paying for YouTube Premium. Of course, right next to it, I have YouTube. Snapchat, you guys know what that is. Follow me on Snapchat at thisissean96. Facebook, you guys know what Facebook is. Instagram, follow me on Instagram. Let's go on Instagram real quick. So we got Kendall Jenner. So yeah, you guys can follow me on Instagram at SimplyPops. I have a poppin' Instagram feed going on. You guys see that? You guys see the hard work and dedication here? I'm low-key one of the underrated YouTubers or underrated creators, man, in this entire world because I make some really good content. I know I do. You get what I'm saying? Nobody does it better than SimplyPops. We have Twitch. Also follow me on Twitch at SimplyPops. I actually like live streaming on Twitch better than YouTube, but my fan base is on YouTube. So it's hard, man. It's hard to balance between the two, but if you guys can, I would appreciate you guys if you guys follow me at SimplyPops. On Twitter, also follow me on Twitter at SimplyPops if you guys want to keep in touch of the latest and greatest, updates on my channel and whatnot. But yeah. Shout out to Casey Neistat, shout out to The Weeknd, shout out to John Prosser, yeah. Okay, weather, and I got some more Apple apps here, so I don't need to mention those. We got stocks, news, books, health, watch, store, find my. We have the App Store podcast. Now, I started to listen to a couple of podcasts, but I don't listen to the podcast on Apple Podcasts, but every now and then I would. So shout out to the Lil Johnson's podcast. Shout out to Viper. Viper is doing it big right now. MKBHD, the waveform. Okay. Apple TV. I'm not really sure what's going on with Apple TV. I wanted to watch the morning show, but I'd rather watch Netflix. See what's going on Netflix. But I'm gonna give it a chance one day, though. I'm gonna give it a chance. I have my home app, so I could turn on and off the lights. So you guys can see in the background. I have my bed. So let me launch this up real quick. Okay, so I have the bed so you guys can see. It's on, it's off, it's on. Well, it's on, off, and then on again. And of course I can change the colors, do whatever I like, and customize it to my liking. So I have a lot of smart products here. Some of them are not compatible with Apple HomeKit, which is unfortunate. But hey, I still have the home app nonetheless. Contacts, Translate, this is Apple Translate, shortcuts, I have my sub count, so this is showing me the subscriber count. But really and truly, I don't launch up the application. I just use it as a widget, which I am waiting for that widget so it could just be on the home screen. So if I pull down and I swipe to the side, I can see my subscriber count right there. So that's pretty cool. But before, when YouTube had the abbreviations, it was showing your full amount of subscribers. I kind of miss those days of when when you can see your full YouTube subscriber count. Next to it, I have LifeX. This is basically all of my lighting in the room. So I have my TV light, my bed light. Light 1 and 2 is disconnected because of the new studio. I really don't know where to put it yet, but I have my desk light here. And I can turn it on, but you guys not going to see it anyways. TikTok, if you guys follow me on TikTok at SimplyPops, you guys can show some love there. So yeah, so you guys know what TikTok is. Google Photos, that's where I back up all of my photos using Google Photos. So it's unlimited storage. No need to be bottlenecked with iCloud storage. Everything is 100% free. And even so, they even give you highlights. So 8 years ago was this. I just love Google Photos. Quality is supposed to be a little like compressed a little bit, but it still looks clear nonetheless. It's something to still make out with. It's interesting to see the guts of a MacBook, but let me not get too carried away. Disney Plus, I don't have a Disney Plus subscription, but I did, I think late last, or I think it was January or February, one of those 2 months, I had Disney Plus, the free trial. I was watching Lion King, the Black Panther. I was watching a lot of movies, but I don't have a subscription now. Maybe I'll get back to it one day, but I just don't see the need of it because, if I'm subscribing to Disney Plus, it's for old time, shows like Proud Family and stuff like that. So I don't see the need of just, paying just to see that 100 different times. You get what I'm saying? Settings app, Hulu. Okay, you guys know what Hulu is. I am a Hulu subscriber. I can't wait for Dave season 2 to come out. Dave season 1, that was just like, it's a classic already, man. When I'm talking about Dave, I mean Lil Dicky. All right, shout out to Lil Dicky. All right, we got the maps. This is Apple Maps. We have Google Maps. We have Rewoon. Now, Rewoon is an iPod application. It's not on the App Store no longer. I think they're going to re-release it because I think it got taken down by Apple. But basically, it turns your iPhone into an iPod. This is like accessing your Apple Music. So I was playing some Dave East. And I still have an iPod too, by the way. It's in my drawer. I don't really feel like getting it out right now. All right, we have Harmony. This is the Logitech Harmony companion app. And I don't use this anymore. I use it a lot in the old studio. It's a smart remote where you can control all your devices, including smart bulbs, smart devices, and whatnot. The reason why I don't use it anymore is because I have a smart TV now. So everything is like already smart already. So I could tell my Echo to turn off the lights. I could turn my Echo to turn off the TV. And that was the whole goal of having a smart remote, is to be able to use Amazon Echo or Amazon what. We have the Apple Store app. Okay, if I buy anything from Apple and want to do a pickup, I have it there. The PlayStation app, you guys can follow me at This Is Pops on PS4 or PSN, I should say, and that would be the same thing on the PS5. I'm never gonna give up that name, This Is Pops. I had it since 2009, and I don't want to change it to Simply Pops. But I think I did make another account called SimplyPops. Raise up the ISO. I was hoping I could make this video quick before the sun goes down. Alright, we have Waze. Sometimes I bounce back between Apple Maps, Google Maps, and Waze. Alright, we have Lightroom if I want to edit my photos on the go. But 9 times out of 10, I'd rather use my iPad. But it's on my iPhone just in case. We have Amazon. So you guys know what Amazon is. I like to purchase things on Amazon. So yeah, I have the Amazon app. All right, we got more Apple apps. So we have Voice Memos, we have Compass, Measure, Grammarly, which checks my grammar, and we have the Calculator app, and we have Bear. Now, Bear is a note-taking app on the Apple Watch. All right, we have the weather. The reason why I have the Weather Channel app is to track hurricanes, get a little bit more detail with the weather. So that's pretty interesting to have. I have Fitness. This is the activity app on the Apple Watch, so I can check my rings. Lately, I've been slacking OD when it comes down to fitness and working out. I'm going to do a little better job closing out some of my rings, but this is how it is. And every day I rock out with my Apple Watch. Every single day I wear my Apple Watch no matter what. So yeah, so this is all of my rings. Next up, we have Google Chrome. Okay, we have Domino's, which Domino's gotta get with the times. Like, they gotta have Apple Pay. Now eBay, I sell some things on eBay, or I might want to shop on eBay. Yeah, eBay is eBay. We have the DJI Go app, so this is for my drone. We have the RAV File Hub. I made a video talking about this, so you can actually connect SSDs or SD cards right here on your iPhone and view it. So yeah, pretty impressive. You can save it to your camera roll, save it to the Files app. It's a very handy product, and I highly recommend you guys watch the video first. So yeah, the File app, or the File Hub app, yeah, it's just gonna allow you to just connect to any drive, and then you can see it right here on your iPhone. So very convenient, and then that device doubles as a hotspot, so, or even a portable battery charger for your phone. All right, next up we have Uber. I haven't took Uber since last year. It's been a while since I used Uber. We have Uber Eats. I actually did Uber Eats recently. I think it was last month or 2 months ago. At the time, I just felt like eating some crab legs and some lobster and some seafood, so I just Uber Eat it. The guy wasn't even wearing no mask though. I had to call him out. Like, yo, I said, just put the food down on the ground, and I didn't even open up the storm door. I just said, put it down on the ground. All right, next up, we have the Files app. We have Venmo. I downloaded this app for a giveaway that I never won, so I may as well just delete it. We have WhatsApp, so I have some family overseas. All right, we have CNN. Next up, we have Top 9. Normally what I do on Instagram every year, like around December, I like to have my top 9 posts, so whatever my most popular posts. 2019 was one of the best years of my life. We have the Carnival app. This is how I get my gas. The reason why I'm not opening up a lot of these apps is because it shows my location or maybe some personal data. Double Take, this is a fantastic application. You can have a video recorded on the front facing camera, and then you have another video recorded on the rear camera. We have Newsbreak. Newsbreak is every day there's news, and it's just giving you local news on what's going on in the community. We have Papa John's, and they have Apple Pay, so I'm getting my 2%. I need to try out this Shack-O-Roni. We have Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is so interesting because anytime you take a step, you get some dollar bills. So look how much money that I have just by walking around. $512.29. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys want to see that video. Sweatcoin, it is a free application, and we're gonna see if it works. Next up, we have Discord. I don't know, let me know down in the comments down below. You guys want me to open up a Discord so all of us can talk? I don't know. If you guys want to see that, just let me know. Best 9 is basically the same exact thing. Rakuten is basically Ebates, and this is giving you cash back on select retailers. All right, I have the Monkey application. I downloaded this because a friend told me. I forgot how this works, you know. I got my finance app, so you guys know money, you know, credit, all that stuff. And then we got my Apple Watch app, and I never really used them on my iPhone. Speed test, this is just checking out the speed, the online speeds for the area. If I'm doing a test for a video, I have it there. The preview app, I absolutely love this app a lot because it gives you a preview on your Instagram page before posting it up on Instagram. So this is how my feed, this is just a rough draft on my feed. Some of these I already dropped already, but it's just interesting to see how your feed will look. And like I said, some of these pictures you guys never seen before, but yeah, and I was in the works of putting them up. But all right, we have Facebook Messenger, so this is contacting all my friends on Facebook. JetBlue, I wish we can travel again. I've been dying to travel. Now LD is lens decoration, so, or distortions I mean, and basically all it is just allow you to add lens flare on your photos. You know, add some pizzazz on the photo. All right, next up we have Genius. This is just checking for the lyrics. Chipolo is a application where I could track my wallet. It's just a little tracker device. So if I lose my wallet, I have it right here. SoundCloud, you guys know what SoundCloud is. All right, we have City Mapper. This is for the bus route, train routes. And yeah, it's a very handy application to have. Okay, we have business. You guys see my business is booming. 21,000 notifications. You guys know how it is. But yeah, business is like the channel, emails, photo math, Google Ads, AdSense. You get what I'm saying? All my business stuff. You get what I'm saying? My online stuff. Okay, we have photo and video. So I have Pixel Loop. Now, a lot of people have been asking me, how did I do this picture on Instagram where the sky is moving and everything? Basically, I use Pixel Loop. It's going to allow you to animate your photos. So you can add in a bubble, you can add in different flares. Also, I have Instagram layout, so this is just basically giving you a layout on your photos. The Moza, so this is for my gimbal. So Focus is gonna just set the bokeh effect. So you can change the size, you can change the aperture. Hey, can you guys believe Christmas is coming up soon? Like, Christmas is kind of around the corner. We still far away from it. All right, we have the camera connect. So this is for my Canon camera. So if I want to use my phone as a shutter button for my camera. We have Reddit, we have Optimum. Now Optimum, I watch TV on my phone. If I ever want to watch TV, I have the Optimum app right there. We have Grubhub, basically similar to Uber Eats. We have Adobe Capture. This is a really nice application because it's gonna allow you to, you know, search for the hex color for things. So we have Mesh Force. So it's gonna automatically detect the type, and then what you can do with that type or that text, you can see how it look with a font to see if it matches. Really cool application, guys. Like, you can see which font that looks, you know what I mean, that looks best with that, without actually typing it in every 5 seconds or whatever the case may be. You have colors, which I use the most of. So for example, it's gonna scan. Okay, it found yellow. I'm sorry, it found orange, and I could copy and paste in the hex code, whatever I like. So it's just like so many things you can use this application for. We have Fortnite, RP to Fortnite. I'm pretty sure you guys know what Fortnite is. We have Google Home. That was for my old Google Wi-Fi router, but now I have the Mesh Force. We have the Amazon Echo. I don't want to say her name. That's to see what's going on with her. We have the Hunter app. So this is it's a really poorly made app, but I use it to control my ceiling fan. So you guys can see there, that is actually a smart fan. So I could use my smartphone, control the speed of my fan, and also I could even use my Apple Watch to control the speed of the fan and the light. We have the Heos. All right, so we have the Heos. So the Heos is my sound system for the Denon speakers. So that's my surround sound. I highly recommend the Denon speakers. I throw a link in the description. Next up, I have the Smart Things. That's for my Samsung TV, so I can control it, use this as a TV remote, control my TV using Smart Things. All right, so final list, guys. Final list. We have Gas Buddy. This is giving me the cheapest gas in the local area. All right, we have Streamlabs Deck. So this is basically for my streaming. Lately, I've been trying to live stream, trying to, you know, come up on the live streaming game. So this is gonna give me control on my iPhone instead of controlling it on my computer. We have the Feedback app, which is not gonna be available if you install iOS 14. Since this is the beta, they're gonna give you the Feedback application. And last but not least, we have deliveries. All it is with deliveries is just a tracker. So tracking your tracking numbers, giving you notifications, letting you know that it's been delivered. Anything that I want to check is right there ready, and everything is synced up through iCloud. And yeah, basically that's all what's on my iPhone. I know I have a pretty boring setup, and this is something new with iOS 14. You have your app library, so you have everything into a nice folder, so entertainment. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, I appreciate it with a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on. Comment down below what you guys think. And other than that, your boy Pops, and I hope you guys have a simple day. Peace.